Hi, I'm Chris Weaver, and today we're going to make Angamat, a classic dish from the country of Sweden. I selected Sweden because I'm fascinated by its high life expectancy and quality of life, even during cold, dark winters, and how the traditional Swedish diet supports well-being. Angamat is a classic creamy vegetable soup and showcases Sweden's dietary principles of nutrition, simplicity, and comfort, keys to a healthy lifestyle. Here's some interesting facts about Sweden. Their kitchens revolve around fresh seasonal produce, reflecting their commitment to regional ingredients. The beloved husmanskott, translating to farmer's fare, is the heart of Swedish home cooking. Dishes are crafted to emphasize the flavors of their components without excessive seasoning. The fika tradition is a cornerstone of Swedish daily life, more than just a coffee or tea break, but a valued opportunity for communal connection, enjoyed twice a day. It's a pause for refreshments and conversation, emblematic of the Swedish emphasis on work-life balance. Swedish dining etiquettes values punctuality and decorum. Conversations are kept at a moderate volume, humor is subtle, and gratitude is frequently expressed through a heartfelt tack, reflecting the composed nature of Swedish gatherings. Angamat is a dish most often enjoyed during the warmer summer months, when the seasonal produce is at its peak. The recipe is shared with Sweden's Scandinavian and Baltic neighbors. Since these countries are cold and at high latitude, they have a limited growing season. As such, root vegetables are utilized often in their cuisine. As compared to food culture in the US, this varies as our country doesn't often promote regional or even seasonally grown vegetables, instead relying on the importation of produce to supply everything year-round. As you can see, I have access to a full kitchen, utensils, and other cooking equipment required. I'm interested in honoring this recipe and preparing it exactly as it's written. I like the fact that it is made with only vegetables, and I have been trying to find recipes that don't contain meat. I have a busy lifestyle and make home-cooked food every day for my family. Let's go over the ingredients. First, we've got carrots, broccoli, sweet peas, vegetable stock, flour, and some milk, salt and white pepper, and finally parsley.
Great job, baby. packed with vegetables, Angamat is high in essential vitamins such as vitamin C, K, and B vitamins. These vegetables contribute to dietary fiber, which can help achieve a healthy body weight. It's lower in saturated fat compared to meat-containing alternatives. By containing lower amounts of saturated fat, one has a reduced risk of developing heart disease. It is rich in antioxidants. Containing vegetables like broccoli and carrots have antioxidants such as beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Antioxidants play a role in reducing inflammation and protecting the body from free radicals. After my research, preparation, and tasting, I can say I fully enjoyed the experience. It helped me to see what others in the world eat and what food habits keep them healthy. I am certainly going to try and incorporate more worldly dishes into my repertoire. I see now things like available ingredients, traditions, diet, and lifestyle all come into play when considering what a group of people typically eat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.